Yakiniku, shao-ru, is a Japanese style of cooking and eating grilled meat, typically beef. The word yakiniku means grilled meat in Japanese and refers to the way the meat is prepared, which is by grilling it on a tabletop grill or open flame. Yakiniku restaurants usually offer a variety of thinly sliced meats such as beef, pork, and chicken, as well as vegetables, which are cooked on the grill by the diners themselves. The grilled meat and vegetables are often accompanied by a variety of dips and sauces, such as soy sauce, miso, and sesame oil, which add flavor to the dish. Yakiniku is a popular dining option in Japan and has also gained popularity in other parts of Asia and around the world. It is a social and interactive dining experience, as diners can cook their own food and enjoy it with friends and family. Yakiniku is typically served with rice and a side of pickled vegetables. Here is a recipe for homemade yakiniku. Ingredients: 1 pound of thinly sliced beef, such as sirloin or ribeye. 1 medium onion, thinly sliced. 1 medium bell pepper, thinly sliced. 1 medium carrot, thinly sliced. 1 small head of lettuce, separated into leaves. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of mirin, sweet rice wine. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of garlic, minced. Salt and pepper, to taste. Cooking oil, for grilling. Instructions. In a small bowl, whisk together the soy sauce, mirin, sugar, sesame oil, garlic, salt, and pepper to make the marinade. Place the beef slices in a large resealable plastic bag or in a shallow dish and pour the marinade over the beef. Marinate the beef for at least 30 minutes or up to 8 hours in the refrigerator. Preheat a grill or stovetop grill pan to medium-high heat. Lightly coat the grill or pan with cooking oil. Remove the beef from the marinade and pat dry with paper towels. Grill the beef for 1 to 2 minutes per side, or until it is cooked to your desired level of doneness. While the beef is grilling, add the onion, bell pepper, and carrot slices to the grill or pan and cook for 1 to 2 minutes per side, or until they are tender and slightly charred. To serve, place a few slices of beef and some grilled vegetables on a lettuce leaf. Roll up the lettuce leaf and dip it in the remaining marinade before eating. Repeat with the remaining ingredients. Enjoy your homemade yakiniku. You can also serve the grilled meat and vegetables with rice or with other dipping sauces such as ponzu, citrus-based sauce, or tonkatsu, thick, Worcestershire-style sauce. Please don't forget to like, share, drop your comment below and subscribe my channel. Thank you.